Good evening, everybody. I'm just gonna have to talk to you about what's been going on in the Northeast, like during the last few months about the summer. I mean, it's been really awful weather that we've been having here. Like almost every single day, it's like been like sun. Sometimes it starts off. Either starts off sunny and like really stormy in the afternoon, or it's probably like heavy rain all day. And I've also took some stats and some reports. Like a lot of people in New England, it's like 16 inches of rain above normal. We get this term here. We usually get around like 10 to 15 storms, like normal thunderstorms like this during the year. We've already gotten like 23, 24 days worth of thunderstorms, and it's like a lot of these storms are like so severe. So many severe storms that it's like. Is this the new regular storm that we've been having lately here? I've known one time in New Hampshire that the people we had like a tornado that passed through several towns. It's like through several towns, lasted for 50 minutes, and houses were destroyed and it killed one person. And in Massachusetts, central Massachusetts, we had another funnel cloud report. It's like, oh good, another tornado reporting here. Yeah, we do normally get like one or two of those a year, but this is unusual. How much rain that we've gotten thus far? I mean, like at least a foot or so, because it's like Friday at home. I'm gone from work and stuff, and I just shot by in a couple more games, and there we go. I mean, a lot of ponding on the roads, and it's like raining so heavy that it actually preferred a little film of this splashes all over the road. It's like so much. I could not even tell whether that's water or ponding, and it could be a dangerous scene because you don't even know if that part is flooded or that maybe an actual road, because it's so much rain that's falling all the time. But we've gotten so much severe weather this year that it's been, oh god. I mean, it's like the new normal weather forecast. It's like I'm actually starting to get used to living through this for the summer. And by the way, the forecast for my area is actually we're supposed to have a little sort of clear weekend, maybe, but I don't know, that could change, and we might be another one of these two thunderstorms. Only Tuesday, hopefully, or Tuesday is the only day, the sunny day, and the rest of the day next week in the forecast area, big thunderstorms almost every day. And we've also had severe thunderstorms that lasted for hours. I mean, I'm not talking usually you get those severe weather that comes and goes for 10 or 15 minutes, but we've gotten severe thunderstorms in this area that lasted for 2 or 3 hours, and probably the Route 9 and the roads were flooded, and I mean, and this is not just going through here. This is ongoing, and usually around our area we've have 75-80% of those sunny weather, and occasionally have a severe thunderstorm. This, talking this summer, we've had this almost every single day. 23 days thus far, throughout the summer period. I can't count January, February, March, or April, or whatever it is, because these are usually times we don't have any thunderstorms, and we usually have snow this time of year. But if we count May, June, July, August, 22 days of 23 days of severe weather, I mean, ugh, good. We might have twice as much as this year, but goodness sakes. And oh yes, we did have days a row which we had sunshine, but those days are in hot, humid, sticky weather. But it's been a dramatic summer. I mean, I wonder if oh man. And a lot of homes flooded. I mean, a lot of streets around our area. I mean, I was going to my office every day, looking out the window of the heavy downpours. Like, one day we were having like downpours that lasted for like half the day while I was at work. And it was like downpouring so much that I can only see the nearest tree and maybe the garage in front of me, but that's about it. I mean, it's like all grayed out and stuff, and it's like every single day. I mean, I was watching the windows to watch these dark clouds, the flashes of lightning that's been going through. And, oh, goodness sakes. And these cameras are probably tucking right in my backyard of the house. Yes, for those of you who are living in an apartment or house, I live in my house with my family anyway. Oh, God. These are actually just 2 of the days that we've been having through it, and like, oh, man. And it's like, for those that, watching, if you're living in the New England states, it's like, post your own videos on, if you have taken any videos and stuff, like, just post some of it. These are like videos I've taken. I've taken these are directly from my backyard, and oh Lord. And there's like some days where you have a rainbow and the rainbows and stuff, and like one day I went to Stop and Shop, working at Stop and Shop, pushing carriages, and I saw this big, humongous thunderstorm cloud, like but it was like in the distance, and it's like looking so spectacular. And then that fizzled out on the way, and what else can I say? Today it's like it's been real stormy, and it's actually started. It actually was a pretty sunny first half of the day, but then it was like starting cloudy, and then it was pouring as I was going to GameStop to get my game today. And on the way home, I was like it was raining so heavy. I mean, it was ponding on like half the streets, like ponding, but little minor streaks of flooding here and there, but it was like so ponding, but you can't, it's like raining so heavy at the same time, you just can't even see the ponding or the flooding that's on the road, and so therefore sometimes you go into a flooded area, hopefully going in towards this banks here, but then yeah, I made it home and didn't stall on the way. I wonder if how your weather was this year. I mean, it was just bizarre. I mean, usually every day it's like hazy, hot, and humid. Like, and we usually get like 4 or 5 days of 90s. But this year, I mean, it was like in the 60s and 70s and stuff. And I like the temperatures, but on the other hand, it was just wet. Rain. Thunderstorms, just about every single day. And actually, I went to GameStop to get my game. Bam! It's like a big flash and like a big bolt of lightning. I was at a GameStop, but I was like, and at the same time, I was like, this is getting normal. I mean, so many severe thunderstorms in my area. It's like I'm getting so used to it. But I'm just gonna tell you, I mean, it's been so weird this summer. Storms day after day. Sometimes it's like getting in the 60s, and yet we still got severe weather. Oh man, I think that hopefully this pattern will end someday. Go back to nice weather, and maybe hopefully in the fall we can have some nice weather and have in the full fall foliage. But well, it's what I have to say about it. JD out. Hopefully it'll clear up the following week.